Hi friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator, CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension. And welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about corn. Corn is a member of the grass family, and the Spanish name for corn is maíz. Corn is what is known as a cereal grain. Wheat, oats, barley, and rice are also types of cereal grains. And an interesting fact, corn is one of the highest producing cereal crops. Did you know corn has ears? No, not ears like you and I have. And used for listening, ears of corn are the part of the plant we eat. Ears have kernels that come in various colors. Corn is considered a grain, a fruit, and a vegetable. It all depends on the stage of which you eat it at. When corn is harvested before maturity and the kernels are soft, it's a vegetable. When corn is harvested at maturity, it's a grain. And each kernel of the corn on the cob is a whole fruit. Corn is one of our oldest crop vegetables. Ears of corn have been found in caves in Mexico that date back to 7,000 to 8,000 years ago. By the time Christopher Columbus reached North America, corn was grown from southern Canada to the Andes Mountains in South America. Native Americans gave corn to Columbus, who brought it back to Spain. From there, it spread all over the world. Native Americans taught European settlers how to cultivate corn and how to produce hominy. Hominy is used to make porridge, cake, and bread. The United States is the world's leading producer of sweet corn, and in 2002 to 2004, 46% of the world's corn was produced here in the U.S. Most corn grown in the U.S. is used for feed for cattle, hogs, sheep, and poultry. California is the nation's top producer of sweet corn. And sweet corn is one of the only crops produced in all 50 states. Want to know another interesting fact? Corn is also grown on every continent except for Antarctica. Corn is among the top 10 most commonly consumed vegetables by children in California. A half cup of white or yellow corn is an excellent source of folate, thiamine, and B1. It is also a source of vitamin C and B6, in addition to being a good source of fiber, manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium. Vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. It also helps your body absorb more iron found in food. Fiber helps with proper bowel function. Vitamin B6 is important for keeping the nervous and immune system healthy. Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Thinking of growing corn at home? It's easy. Corn grows well in warm weather areas and is typically grown in the summer. Corn also needs proper pollination, and to do this, farmers tend to grow corn at least in 4 rows side by side, in an area where there is good air circulation. Remember, corn is wind pollinated. Getting hungry for some corn? Check out the link below for this corn pancake recipe from foodheroes.org. What's your favorite corn recipe? Who doesn't enjoy roasted corn on a barbecue during the summer? Corn is a huge staple crop for many countries around the world. Remember, the Spanish name for corn is maíz. Thank you for joining us on the Spotlight of Corn as our Harvest of the Month. How will you enjoy corn this month? See if you can find corn in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month!